Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystem.com. Just wanted to show you guys that my trades for today. So let's get started. This is my Telegram channel here, and you can see the name of my Telegram channel is Creative Trading Systems. Creative Trading System, just like the name of my website. Just remember that. Now today I posted a couple of entries here. Let's see. I posted EA making a short, right? And this is the trade, EA making a short, September 11, and this was the entry that I posted, and it produced 95 pip. The other one was UJ, means USD yen, bouncing from TL on 40. Look for 7-minute long. 7-minute long was this. Now 7-minute is only to capture maybe 30 to 50 pip. And after that, it retraces and gives me another setup on 20-minute chart. It's a deep setup, right? So the entry was here, and then it went up almost like 50 pips, start dropping, and I closed it around maybe 30, 32 pips. So that's how it is. And then later on, if I get the 20-minute, then I would take that. So this is how the system works. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to take trades like this. This is just today's trade. And I think the pound Aussie is gonna, Euro Aussie is gonna drop even more, all the way to 65.97. And I'm waiting for my entry, and I'll show my entry and my trade for today tomorrow. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. If, like I said, that if you like, you can go to my website, creativetradingsystem.com, and subscribe and start learning and trading like this. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.